G'day cocktail lovers and welcome to the Cocktail Dome, where we bring you all the excitement of big league cocktails. I'm your host, Chuck Carrots. With me is my co-host, definitely a different person, Archbishop.
Well, thanks for that somewhat unsettling introduction, Chuck. I'm looking forward to today's cocktail. It's been made for Daiquiri Day.
Yes, Arch, and the rum days keep coming. July 19th is Daiquiri Day. So, Mr. Angry, what are we seeing today? Are we getting a standard daiquiri from you?
Well, Chuck and Arch, I do love the simplicity of the classic daiquiri, but today, for Daiquiri Day, I am going to do something different. I'm going to do my version of a Charles daiquiri, which was originally invented by German bartender Charles Schumann.
How does this differ from a standard daiquiri, Mr. Angry?
Well, the classic daiquiri, it's a simple rum, lime and sugar affair. For the Charles daiquiri, it's recommended you use 2 different rums, and there's the addition of triple sec. By coincidence, just a week or so ago, I visited a local distillery that did rum and triple sec. So I will be using these 2 new products, new to me, and I'll be using them as a showcase in this cocktail.
Nothing like finding a new local distillery to get something unique.
First up, I will be adding this Killik Silver Navy Strength. This is 59% alcohol by volume, got great rum hogo flavors, and we're going to be doing 1 ounce or 30 mils of the silver in the shaker. Next is the notably lighter but still very tasty Archie Rose White Cane Spirit. This is 44% alcohol by volume, and we'll also add 1 ounce 30 mils of this into our shaker. Next, the triple sec. This tiki zest from Killik is quite different to most triple secs.
Whoa, triple sex.
Oh, keep it together, Chuck.
Alright, as I was saying, different to other triple sec. So, it's to read actually the label, it tells us, when they set out to open a tiki bar for Killik rum, they never imagined how much citrus they would be wasting, and they didn't want to waste it. So, they needed a solution. This is the solution. So what they do is, after they peel the citrus, it's macerated in rum before being vapor extracted in a gin basket, and you end up with a triple sec that's actually quite lime forward. This really is zesty. The citrus flavors, it's much more like the oils and the zest from the peel as opposed to tasting like citrus juice. It's a great taste, and I'm going to add half an ounce or 15 mils to our shaker. And as this is daiquiri, we'll be adding 15 mils or half an ounce of lime juice. Less lime juice than you might normally put in a daiquiri, but that's balanced off with the tiki zest triple sec. So half an ounce, 15 mils of lime juice going in. That's all the ingredients, so we add ice to the shaker, put it together, bang it in hard, give that a good solid shake for 10 or 15 seconds. Drain that into a chilled cocktail glass, and there is your Charles daiquiri.
There we go. Oh, I'm a big fan of a classic daiquiri, but this twist is really interesting, don't you think? Just brings it to the next level.
Yes, Chuck, the zesty triple sec, it's really coming through, and the funkiness of the Navy Strength rum, oh, it's balanced by the lighter cane spirit. It's wonderful.
It's like a daiquiri that went to college. It's got more depth and complexity. Still, unmistakably a daiquiri. I mean, well, thanks for this riff, Mr. Angry. It really lives up to our motto. Life is too short to waste time on boring cocktails.
Cheers.